In here, I have a fourth cup of white sugar and 2 teaspoons of instant yeast. In this little pot, I have 3/4 cups of whole milk with a 1/4 cup of water, which I just heated to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 43 centigrade. I'm going to mix this and I'm going to let it sit aside for about 5 minutes until it's nice and bubbly. In here, I have 4 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and a 1/4 teaspoon of allspice. Nice and bubbly. I'm adding 2 large eggs, and these are room temperature, by the way, and a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter that is soft. I am going to knead this for about 10 minutes, guys. Here's our dough. It's nice and elastic. Now we're going to add some stuff to it. I am going to stretch it out, kind of make a hole in the middle there. I'm going to add a cup of raisins to this. I have the zest of a lemon in here. You can use an orange instead if you prefer. And I'm adding a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we gotta knead this until everything is distributed in there beautifully. So another 4 or 5 minutes. Perfect. Now we have to proof it. So I have a buttered bowl where I'm gonna put this in. Okay, so this is gonna go into a nice warm place where it will double in size. Look at this beautiful dough. We are going to cut this into 12 pieces. If you want them to be exactly the same, you're going to have to weigh them. I'm going to do all of them like this, and I'm going to put them in a 10-inch, 26 centimeter buttered cake pan. I don't want them to touch, though. Now I'm going to cover this and put it in a place that's nice and warm and no draft for about 35 minutes. We're going to make a paste out of flour and water for the cross over our bread. I have about a 1/4 cup of flour in here. I'm going to put a little bit of water in there and mix. You don't want lumps in there, guys, so mix it well. All right, if you have a piping bag, put this in the piping bag. If not, we're gonna use a Ziploc bag. All right, look at these. Now they're touching each other. They're perfect. Guys, if you don't have a 10-inch cake pan, you can do this on a baking sheet. Just make sure that you put them close enough together that they'll touch each other once it's, they've had the second proof. I'm gonna snip off that little end. I have an oven preheating at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 190 centigrade. And I'm going to bake these for between 18 and 20 minutes. When they're nice and browned, I'll bring them out. I'm going to sift half a cup of confectioner's sugar into this bowl. We're going to make a glaze for our buns. I'm going to use lemon juice for this. You can use water or orange juice if you want, but I'm going to do lemon juice. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. It's 1 and 2. I'm going to bring out the buns from the oven. All right, we're going to brush the glaze over our bread that's still warm, okay? It's going to give it a nice sheen. I'm going to let these cool down, guys, and then we'll taste them. Oh,